Linda, and then a question we'd like to ask is, in which way do you think landlords, management agents can be more helpful to tenants and in what you're doing?
I think it's really important for the landlord to have a good understanding of what's going on in the markets in terms of rentals across the board nationally, because I'm finding that basic rentals and ops costs are one thing, but all the additional added costs that are loaded onto the tenant ends up with a resultant 35% increase at the end of the day rental statement. So our franchisee starts out with a very high rent and has to have so much more turnover to be able to break even. So the higher the rental is, the longer it takes for the franchisee to break even. The danger is that they can run out of working capital and then fold. And that's what I'm finding very discouraging and very hard work in my negotiations today. The basic rental and ops cost is not really what you're looking at the end of the day only.
So what you're saying is more transparency on additional costs, because they should know what the rates and taxes are. They should know what the average water is, or
Yes.
common area costs. You're saying
Yes.
that should be more transparent, and you should be able to display that accurately
Yes.
to your franchisee.
Yes, because in years gone by, your basic rental used to cover a lot more than what it does today. They've subtracted sewage and security and all kinds of bits and pieces have been excluded from the basic rent and the ops cost, for which the tenant has to pay, for instance, communal charges. And it's unfair on a small operator. At the end of the day, it's very hard for them to trade profitably before a very long time, 18 months.
No, but as you say, the bottom line is you need transparency to make sure that the business is viable, because in the end of the day, most important for landlord and tenant is that it's sustainable. And to be sustainable, you need all the figures.
Yeah.
Thank you, Belinda.
Thank you for your time. I appreciate the opportunity to share this information with you.